Guys, this is actually a two-part video, okay? Stay tuned to the end. After I'm all done doing the uncorking, I actually drank the whiskey for a while and I did come up with some extra content. So please check that out as well. What's up, guys? I'm going to talk to you about something today. Notably, that something today is Scotch, particularly the Famous Grouse Smoky Black. Now, I've never tried this before. I've been really excited to try it, not because I actually think it's going to be good, but apparently it's going to taste like an Islay Scotch. I really have absolutely no... I'm not optimistic. Let's say that. So I'm going to try it out real quick. First off, I want to give you a little bit of a history behind this Scotch. I have no idea about this Scotch, so I looked it up. It is owned by the Edrington Group. The Edrington Group. And it's interesting because Famous Grouse is a cousin to both Macallan and Highland Park, at least in the Edrington world. So, yeah, a couple other things now. It says on the bottle, let's read the bottle here. It says that it is a blended Scotch whiskey. It is an expertly crafted blend of rare peated Glenturret and the Famous Grouse for a smooth, rich, and lightly smoky whiskey. It's 40% ABV, blended for smokiness, and I think that's probably all you need to know on here. It says explore a smokier side to our famous whiskey. Now I'm hoping it's going to taste like an Islay. I've had Laphroaig. I'm planning on getting the Lagavulin 16 for my birthday coming up next month, and I was hoping that this might be a good, cheap something to drink for a little while here and there when I can't afford the good stuff. So I'm going to be doing a tasting of this with you guys. I'm going to try not to go too long or get too boring, so I'll do a lot of editing just in case. Now, I was going to call this an uncorking, and I think I'm still going to put that in the title, but there doesn't seem to be a cork. I think this is a screw-off top, which I'm really actually disappointed in. Such a nice glass bottle. I figured that they'd do a little bit better. So, without further ado, here we go. I'm going to crack the top. And I'm going to back up a little bit so you can see my pour. Oh, hope that would make Dan Harrington proud. And I'll put this back here. Alright, let's go to town. Yeah, I mean, it smells like Scotch. Doesn't smell too far off from the Highland Park. Definitely not as smoky as I thought it would be. It's nothing like Laphroaig 10. Now, I'd like to give you that it's got a note of this and a note of that, but frankly, it just smells like Scotch to me. Maybe some vanilla. It's really nice. This is very much like the Highland Park 12, which this is Viking Honor Edition, which I've heard just doesn't match up to the classic Highland Park 12. But definitely when you're doing the Highland Park Viking Honor, it's got that like a Band-Aid, almost rubber. You know, I told a friend it's sort of like a race car tire soaked in Scotch is what it tastes like. I think I said it was like licking a tire. But this is not like that. This is really more just like maybe if you took Dewar's White Label and you added just a hint of smoke to it. But not really smoky, nothing overwhelming. I'll tell you, it goes down very, very smooth too. It's nothing harsh on the back end. It's not spicy. It's not. There's no overwhelming alcohol at all. This is actually really nice. I could see this definitely being a staple on my shelf. Something that I would share with friends. So yeah, I'm gonna say cheers to this. I do like it. I'm gonna put some stuff on the show notes probably to let you guys know a couple other things that I found out about it. Maybe my tasting notes officially. But yeah, So then, once again, that is the Famous Grouse Smoky Black. My first time trying it, definitely worth the $29.99 I paid for it in upstate New York. So, all right, once again, cheers. Have a great day. Hit that like button. Please subscribe. So I have been working now for about 20 minutes just to upload my video and do some editing on it. And while I was doing the editing, I was continuing to sip the scotch. And I just wanted to tell you that I did a little bit more looking at reviews and some tasting notes. So I'm going to give you those real quick as long as we're here. First off is sweetness. That's absolutely 100% true. It's very sweet. And that might be a deal breaker to a lot of people, and it might be a reason why I won't drink this as much as I thought I would. Obviously, a lot of things, they start out sweet and you think they're fantastic, and then after a while you go, yeah, I just don't know. Now, other people said apple, caramel, maybe cocoa, maybe a little bit cherries. You know, I can find just about anything in there. Definitely vanilla. People said raisins. Someone said salty. A couple people said salty. Absolutely. Definitely very salty. Stringent. No lingering finish. That's very true. This is something that it fades pretty quickly. You're not going to have that lingering on your palate for the next 5 minutes the way the Macallan 18 does with the sherry finish. It's nothing like that. Comparing to an Islay. A lot of people compared it to an Islay. I don't know. Maybe. Smoky is a lie. A lot of people said it's not that smoky. No, it's not. I think the name is very misleading. Calling it the Smoky Black is, no. If you want to call this Smoky Black, then you have to call Lafroig like licking the ashes out of a fireplace. This is not smoky like that at all. Weak. A lot of people say it's weak. It is. It's a weak scotch. It's nice. It's sweet. So I have changed my mind about one thing. I'm not going to be buying this again anytime soon. I have a lot of different scotches and bourbons that I want to try, and I would not say that I'm going to keep restocking this on the shelves. And it's fine, and it's definitely something I think I would drink in a restaurant, just because I'm not going to spend 20 or 25 bucks for a decent glass of scotch when I'm already spending a bunch of money on food. This is a decent sipper. It would probably go fine with a meal or at the end of a meal with a dessert because it's so sweet. But no, I mean, it's fine. I think it's good. It's way better than Johnny Walker Red. It's way better than stuff like Duggan's Dew. But it is what it is. It's sweet. Some people like it. It's not for everybody. Don't compare it to an Islay. Don't say that this is, you know, going to be up there on the top shelf. It's definitely nothing like that. You get what you pay for. But anyways, it's good. Cheers.